Hey guys, this is Roger here, just talking about today's 4.5-hour half-day sea bass trip. We're located out of Crazy Sister Marina in Murrells Inlet, just south of Myrtle Beach. Our 4.5-hour half-day sea bass fishing trip is perfect for families, first-timers, and even experienced anglers. We'll travel anywhere from 5 to 12 miles offshore, where you'll drop your lines over some of the best bottom fishing spots the Myrtle Beach Grand Strand area has to offer. You'll be primarily targeting tasty black sea bass along with some of my favorites like porgies, grunts, and ringtails. For your comfort, our head boat features an air-conditioned cabin, onboard bathrooms, and a snack bar stocked with drinks and light snacks. Our experienced crew is here to help every single step of the way. Whether it's from baiting your hook to cheering you on as you reel in the big one, all the gear you need to fish, rods, reels, bait, tackle, even your fishing license is included. So all you have to do is show up and hop on board. And yes, you do get to keep your catch, guys. We even offer convenient fish cleaning services upon return to the dock. So whether you're looking to create some awesome memories or just enjoy a great day on the water, our 4.5-hour sea bass trip is the perfect choice. Book your spot today and let's go fishing, guys.